The marketing landscape has dramatically changed over the years. The speed of change is accelerating. With the unprecedented access to information, customers now are more demanding. The old ways of doing business don't seem to work as we expected. Today, customers crave for deeper human connections. They want brands to form emotional connections with them. They want to feel appreciated. Knowing how to respond to an emotional need is key to customer loyalty. According to Salesforce, 84% of customers want to be treated as persons, not numbers. Antonio Damasio, a neuroscience professor, he believes that emotions are more effective than reason when it comes to making the right decisions. Reason alone does not allow us to make decisions. We will just be comparing the pros and cons. But only an emotional push can help us make up our mind. Emotion serves reason. So when you do your marketing, aim to create emotional connections.